There's only 10. All right.
Yeah.
Hello. I made the total of three objects. Three
Nice.
3D.
Okay.
All right, yeah, you can go ahead and share your screen then.
Okay. Here. What do I do next?
Oh yeah, go to the X on the top right,
Oh.
and then looks like you need to get a license. So click manage licenses on the top right.
Can I share my screen for a second if
License.
this version will work?
Yeah.
No license.
Any
yet.
version you choose should work.
Okay, can I like share my screen?
Yeah, in one
It
moment.
It says
Poon,
no license.
click
Yeah.
add license.
Wait.
Oh yeah, go
Wait.
back to manage.
Where?
Top right, manage licenses,
Oh.
and then add license. Yep. And then yeah, get free personal license.
Okay.
Agree?
Agree.
And there we go. Now include the X on the top right,
X.
and then new project on the top right.
Yeah. Okay. New project.
All right, and then create project on the bottom right. Okay, create project, the blue button on the bottom right.
Oh, create project.
All right, and there you go. Might take a little while, but you should
Okay.
have it in a moment.
Wow, it's so like kind of slow.
Yeah.
Too slow. Whoa. Oh no.
All right, so to go over what we've done so far, again, it's just on the very middle, you have your actual game, the view of your game. On the left here, you have all the stuff that's in your game, all the shapes, all the shading, everything that's in your game goes right here. To add something to the game, you click the plus button on the very top left here. And say I wanted to create like a little square, I go down to 3D object, hover over it, go to cube, click X, and there we go, I have a cube. Hold right click and move your mouse to look around. You can use the zoom to like zoom in and out towards the box, and the arrow keys to move around. All right. Ooh, Puken Fuku, yes. That it has to be a pretty old Mac.
Teacher, I think I know a bit on how to make something move. Can I just go get the code and just start doing it?
Yeah, if you wanna.
Yeah, thank you.
All right. Let's go ahead here. I will keep talking about Unity for a little bit, and then we'll go ahead and end class. And during the week, I'll help everyone get Unity ready and everything. And the next class will be more like the official class for Unity. And Poon, if you can, just kind of watch what I'm doing. And then again, we'll kind of go over all this again next week. We'll help everyone get Unity. Yes, Pepper.
I have a question. How do I open code in Unity?
Do you have Unity open?
Yes, I already have it.
Okay.
I have a cube in front of me.
Nice. We'll go over code in a little bit. Because right now we're just going over shapes.
Okay.
So let's go ahead and do one main thing. Poon, basically what I mean is you don't have to actually follow along what I'm doing. Just kind of watch it because we'll go over it more next week. It's fine. Most people don't have their Unity ready right now anyways. So if you look at our cube here, we can see on the right side all the information about our cube. We can
Teacher,
see
I
right
can
here the
open
first
it
one.
now.
Oh, nice, good job. Yeah, and if you can, top left, the plus button, that's how you create the cube.
Where's the cube again?
Top left, this little plus button, go down to
Plus?
3D object, and then on the right, there's cube.
Oh yeah,
Nice.
I see it. And it's I can do I can like put up and
Yeah, I was about to say before I accidentally muted them. Sorry. These little arrows can be used
Quinn, I just
to move
realized-
around the cube. Yeah.
Sorry.
No, go
I
ahead.
just realized the code I had was C++. Are we gonna use C++ for the whole Unity thing?
We're gonna be using C#. Is that what you mean? C and little
yeah.
hashtag.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Yeah.
C sharp.
Yes, we're gonna be
Thank
using
you.
C#.
Okay, that's so
Yeah.
much better.
The only reason I haven't mentioned it yet is because one, we're probably not gonna code this class, and also, C# is virtually identical to JavaScript. Most there's very little different, and when we see the differences, I'll go over them. Okay, so you can use these little big arrows to move around your cube. Let me move over here real quick. The top one moves it up and down. The red one moves it left and right. And the blue guy moves it forward and back. More importantly, though, because you're only going to be using the arrows every now and then, on the right side is all the information about the cube. Most importantly right now, this little transform box, little transform word right here. And below it, you see position and the X, Y, and Z of the cube. X and Y being like what we use as variables in processing JS.
Teacher,
JavaScript.
how do you open the on the left side right here?
Oh yeah, the little plus sign.
No, on the right side. Right
Oh.
side.
Like all this stuff.
Yes. Oh.
If you don't have anything right now, go ahead and on your scene, click on the cube, and then you should get it.
Oh. Thank you.
Welcome. All right. And if you see here, hopefully you're able to see. I can't really zoom in on Unity, unfortunately. A little word says position underneath transform, and then you have X, Y, and Z. X and Y, again, like in JavaScript, X is the horizontal plane or horizontal axes, basically going left and right, Y being up and down, and the Z is new because we're in a 3D world that's forward and back. If you see here, as I move the green arrow, move the cube up and down here, on the right side, the Y on the transform is changing. Here it is 1.33. Move it down is 0.15. Move it like way down, goes to -3, way up, goes to 5. If I move the red one, my X changes. Here it is 12. Let me move around here. And then here it is. There you go. 1.39. And the blue one changes V. It's very easy to change V. Here's at 37, and if I try to move it back, there we go, back to 9. And this isn't just information, you can change everything on here. So let's go ahead and change position on the X, change that to 0. On Y, change it to 0, and X or Z, change it to 0. All of them should be at 0. You might see your box disappear. Go ahead and right click on the scene area and just kind of like move around. And there you go. There's my box. Oh. And now to that, what's called the origin, 0, 0, 0 is known as the origin, the beginning of all planes. You don't need to understand all that. That's like high level stuff. Oh wow. Someone has been
do I need
spamming.
to do that?
Yeah, definitely put to 0, 0, 0.
Where?
On the top right, where you see position, X, Y, and Z. If you click on the number next to the X, you put in 0, then each one do 0. Only for the top row though. The second row is for rotation, which we'll go over in a bit, and also scale, the third row. Scale meaning how big it is.
Teacher, position X, Y, Z 0, and then rotation X, Y, Z 0.
Yep.
Like here, 1, 1, 1, but I don't
Yep.
see the cube anywhere.
Go ahead on the like game area, right click and hold it down, and then move your mouse. You can look around, and then you should be able to find your box. Because when
Oh, I
you
see.
change the variable, if you moved it. Mattia, you can go ahead and unmute after your question.
My mom just finished logging in, installing and everything, and now I just made a cube. I don't know how to do. I don't know what to do next.
All right, good job. Go ahead and click on the cube, and then you should see a bunch of information on the right side.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's a lot. And to everyone, real quick, Udemy, it's a lot when you get started. There's a lot of information. Don't get scared. It's okay if you don't understand most of all of what's going on. You kind of, as you go, you start to learn what each little bit of information means. Right now, we see at the very top, we see transform. Transform means like where what you're creating is, the rotation of it, and how big it is. So you transform and then position underneath it, and position has 3 little numbers here, X, Y, and Z. And yeah, go ahead and change each of those numbers to 0, 0, and 0. And now let's go ahead and change scale a little bit. That can be fun. Scale is how big it is. X is the width, like the third number in a rect. Go ahead and change it from X, or from 1 to 10. Now it's very long. That scale X, change it to 10. And then we can also go ahead and change scale Z to 10. Now we have this flat like ground area. Now don't do this, but let me show you. If you change Y to 10, it becomes a really big square. In fact, Udemy, it's really easy to do weird stuff. Like you can just change it to 1,000, or there you go. But keep it at 1 for now. We want it to be a ground, not a giant pillar.
Teacher, I'm making a structure.
Nice.
Okay, over here. Maybe let's go to 2.
You know what? That script didn't work so well.
Yeah, a lot of the script you're gonna find, they use a lot of stuff where you need to put stuff into here. There's a lot of little confusing stuff to do with those scripts. I believe I know the one you're talking about, and there's a lot more setup than just pasting in the code.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so we have our little ground. Let's go ahead for information. On the left side here, we see 3 little words. Main camera, that is the camera for your game. Don't worry about it right now, we'll use it later. Directional light, that is the lighting for your game. That way you can see everything. Again, don't worry about it. Then you see cube, that's the cube you just created. If you click on it, you should see the information come back up here. And then you can click enter and then delete, and now you can name your cube, and we'll name it ground with a capital
Teacher?
G. Yep.
Teacher, I have a problem. It's about
Yeah?
mine. It's like project is open already.
Teacher, can I share screen?
Yeah, that probably means
Yeah, I
your
can
project is opened on another like screen or somewhere. Go ahead, if you can, try to find it and open it, or just close it and then try to open it again. Unity can't open multiple projects at once. So in fact, I just
Meant
had that
this one?
issue, and it's because my window was like minimized.
You meant this one?
Oh, it might be, yeah.
Teacher, I don't know how to name my cube.
Oh yeah. On the left side here, we have 3 little words. One should be
Yeah.
cube.
Yeah.
Click on it,
Teacher,
click enter, and
Teacher,
then you
if
can
we
click delete.
Teacher, if we don't name it, it will be okay, or
Oh yeah,
do we?
it's fine if you don't name it. It's just good for like, it's good to name everything in your scene. That way you know what everything is supposed to be. So I'm just letting you know, that's how you name it.
Oh. Teacher, can I share screen?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, let me
Okay.
stop my share.
Teacher, I made this.
Oh, wow.
It's something I don't know.
That's cool.
Do I need to delete all or?
It's fine. Just keep it for now. And you don't need to follow exactly what I do. If you're having fun, go for it. Because next, what we're going to do here is we're going to change the color of our cube. This is one that's slightly more confusing to do, so I will show you. Down here in assets, these are basically all the stuff that could be in the game, but for now isn't, or also stuff that's in the game. So anything that we can put in the game, but isn't necessarily in the game currently. I'll show you what I mean in one moment. Down here, go ahead and right click, go up to create, and you get a bunch of stuff. So carefully go to the right here, and your mouse should almost be right on the word that says material. Material is the Unity word for color, basically. It is the wrapper around your cube, and you make the wrapper green, thereby changing its color. So click on material. Now it will automatically have you name it. So go ahead and click delete. Oh, yeah, click on it. Well, whatever. It says new material, it's fine, but you can click enter, delete, and then name it something like, I don't know, green. Now we have a material named green.
Teacher, I can't find the create material thing.
Yeah, on assets down here, not in the scene, but down here at the bottom, right click, go up to create at the very top, and then right next to create, basically in the middle here, is material.
Wait, where? Hold on, I can't see it.
You right click and then all the top create.
Okay, below audio mixture.
Yeah,
Oh, I found it.
nice.
Thanks.
And now you can see this little ball on the assets area. If you click on that, that is your material. And you can go up here at the very top, this little white square. If you click that, you get a color wheel. Let's go ahead here. You could choose it like this, go over to green and make it green over here. If you want, you can do classic style here, put in the RGB value, a red 0, green 255, 0 blue.
Orange. I like orange.
All right, we do orange. Go over here. That's about orange. It's pretty orange looking. And make sure it will start off up here in the square in the middle. Go ahead and like move that over to orange. In the top right is usually the most orange you can be. Or you can kind of go down here, be dark orange.
Teacher, how can we change the color?
Yeah, it is this box on the top right next to main maps and albedo. It should be a little white box for now. Click on it and then you get color wheel.
I don't see it.
Oh, make sure first. Do you have, yeah, click on the actual circle in your asset. Click on the actual material you just created, and then you should be able to see it.
When I clicked it, I don't see the color.
Go ahead here. I'm gonna start my share real quick. Share your screen.
Yeah, like there's nothing.
Oh yeah. I don't think, yeah, you haven't actually created it yet. That is still on like a cube. Here, let me show you one more time. Okay. If you see, down at the very bottom, you have your assets. It says right here, assets. Right click, hover over create, then go to material.
Asset. I didn't have asset.
Right. Cause yeah, your material isn't automatically part of the game. You have to create it down here, then click on it, change the color. And once you've changed the color, you can go ahead and drag it over into your scene. You can actually drag it right directly into the game right here. Drag it onto your cube, release, and there you go. It is now orange, or whatever color you want it to be. And you even keep changing it right here.
Okay, maybe I don't think I need colors.
All right. And Katie, yeah, you can unmute.
Oh. My ground is not changing its color.
All right. Have you created the material down here, this little circle in the bottom? Yeah, go ahead then and click on it. Have you changed the color of the circle? Like, have you clicked on it, gone over to the white box, clicked on that, and gotten the color wheel?
Yeah, I did that.
Okay. Go ahead then and drag the little circle, like click on it and hold the click. Move your mouse over above the cube and then release it.
Okay, now it's changing color.
Nice.
Teacher, I have a problem.
Yep.
It's that it says this project is not valid. What does it mean?
Huh. try creating a new project, maybe. I'll probably have to end up helping you after class. Or probably it'd have to end up being tomorrow because it's very late on my side. But yeah, next week I'll make sure everyone has Unity. But for now, we do have a colored ground here. Let me go ahead and do one more thing before we end the class. I'm gonna go ahead and make a circle. Click on the create button, go down to 3D object, and go to sphere. Oh, there you go. S-P-H-E-R-E. Sphere. It's going to create one in like an arbitrary place far away from you. You could kind of move it over if you want. Or you can just change its X, Y positions to X 0, Y 1. We want to be at 1, not 0. And then Z also 0. And now we got a little circle right in the middle there.
Teacher, I don't see the create button.
Do you mean the create button for making a material, or the plus button up here when creating a circle?
When creating a circle.
Okay. Yeah, it's a little plus on the very top left up here, right below the word hierarchy.
Okay.
Click that, hover over 3D object, and then you should see a sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E.
I saw it.
Oh, and there you go, I made 2. All right. That is 9:30. That will go ahead and be the end of class today. Tomorrow will be a more productive one, but go ahead. If you don't have the Unity downloaded, tomorrow I'll make sure to help everyone get Unity downloaded, get up and running. And if
Wait, is there still tomorrow?
Oh, tomorrow, sorry, next week. And if you do have a download, go ahead and just like try it out. Just create different objects. You can do like capsule here, or
I actually did mine.
Nice. You also create. Don't do this too much, but you can do like terrain. Yeah, let's not do that.
Teacher,
Yeah.
how do I move my character? I got it. Oh, good now. How do I move my
Teacher,
character?
I have to
The
leave
arrow
now.
keys. Yeah, it's actually about the end of class.
Okay,
Andrew, use
bye-bye.
the arrow
Teacher, I
keys.
have only one question for installing.
Bye bye.
Yeah, but
teacher.
I
Goodbye.
want to change my direction I'm facing.
Bye bye, teacher.
Goodbye.
Teacher, how do I change the direction?
I have.
Teacher.
Okay, everyone, give me one moment. Andrew, you hold right click and then move your mouse around in the scene. Hold a right click. There you go.
Oh. I have one question for installing.
Yep.
It says confirm your email. Please check your inbox. I already checked inbox and it continue. I click continue, but nothing happened.
Then you should probably be able to go back to where you started. Go back to like the hub, and it should work.
Bye bye. See
Wait,
you.
how do I get back?
You should be able to have like an application on your computer to say like Unity Hub, and then open that again.
Really?
Yeah, if you already confirmed your email, you should be completely logged in.
Let me check. Oh, yeah. Thank you.
All right, nice. All right,
Teacher.
great job, everyone. Yep.
Teacher, how do I open the code actually?
We'll go over code later because code is a little bit complicated right now. You have to like create scripts and stuff, so we'll go over code next week.
Can I share my screen?
Yeah, go ahead. All right, nice, good job. Actually, Pepper, while I have you here, 1 second. Click on ground on the left side there. Okay, now scroll down on the right side. So you see where it says add a component on the very bottom? Very bottom right, add
Wait,
component.
add.
Yeah, a little bit lower. Little bit lower. There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, click on that.
Yes.
And then you see where it says scripts, the S right below rendering near the bottom.
Script. Where?
Oh, you just
Oh,
passed it.
script. This.
Yeah. Yeah, right there.
This. This?
One up. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, go ahead and click that. Okay. Go ahead. Let me think here. Okay, you see that little typing bar on the top with a little click on that and you type in like whatever, like ASDEF, type in gibberish. Okay, now click on new script.
New script.
And then create an ad. Oh yeah. Okay, now double click that. No, there's Pepper right there. Double click it. Oh yeah, click open on the top right.
Where's the open?
Yeah, top right next to the word Pepper. Yeah, very top right though, like high up on the screen and then to the right. Yeah, up and to the right. Okay, now to the right.
The right.
Yep. It says like Pepper, monoscript, and open. That's the left, to the right. The other way.
Where's Pepper models open? Where is it?
Yeah. More up and all the way to the right.
Is this one?
No, that's the left, to the right, the other way, the other side.
This?
Yep, you're right next to it. A little bit to the left. There we go, open.
Open.
And just click on that for me.
Yes,
Okay.
I already clicked it.
Did anything happen?
There it is. Yes,
you
there's
see it?
a giant code screen.
Nice, okay.
There's a giant code
good.
screen right here.
That's how to do
Using
it.
Steam and collection. There.
Nice, all right. That's good to know. I was just making sure Unity automatically download mono behavior or mono script, whatever. That's good. Good for me to know next class. All right.
Yeah, thank you.
Yep.
teacher.
So go ahead.
Okay.
See you next week. Quick from Suku, I will look into your Mac thing. Here, let me copy your
you.
version down, and then I'll see if you can use it. I use it on a Mac that was very old, so hopefully it should work for yours.
I'm using Mac Pro.
Nice. All right. See you next week, everyone. Goodbye.
Bye.
Good job.
Thank
Well,
you.
Thank you, teacher.
Teacher,
Bye.
I just click Unity Hub in my computer, but it's still in the same page.
Go ahead and share your screen for me, because I have a little time.
Okay.
Everyone else can leave. It's fine.
Wait.
We will need this.
All right. That seems. That looks like a page. Are you sure you don't have like it?
I have it like right here.
Okay. Okay, sign in. Try that.
Yep, I signed it. And it's the same page.
Huh. Maybe. Oh yeah. If it says confirm your email, click you're going to need to go to your actual email. Like go to your email, and then there should be like you got an email to confirm your email address, basically. You might have your parents help you with that. I'm not sure. Yeah, probably like the top one or something. And then go and confirm that, and it should all work.
I just Unity Technologies, confirm your email address.
Yep.
Yes.
Okay, I don't super want to be
I
personal
have used this
information.
page before.
Oh, go ahead and try it again. And then when you go back to the Unity page, just click continue after you confirm the email, and that should work. Yeah.
It's like downloaded and nothing.
Huh.
If it's you can take it's
Okay.
okay. I will make it next class first.
Yeah. Go
Person.
ahead. I'm going to end class. I don't want to say your email, but it could be like could be class or like recording stuff. But go ahead, go back to that email you got, and then there should be like instruction on what to do. I should say like click this button to confirm your email address or something. Because you're going to need to do something to confirm it, and then you can come back here and click continue. All right. Hope everyone had a good time, and we'll see you next week. Goodbye.
Okay, teacher.
And quick point, if it doesn't work, go ahead and hit me up on Facebook, and I can help you out.
Okay, teacher. Happy New Year.
You too.